Hi fellow investors, welcome to the channel. In this video, we are going to discuss and analyze about Nifty 50 with the help of technical chart patterns. If you see the chart on my screen, I have clearly mentioned the trend lines as well as the pattern for Nifty 50, and the chart which you are seeing on my screen is the daily chart. I am going to explain you more in detail with the help of technical chart patterns, buyers and sellers psychology, trendline patterns for Nifty 50. So by end of this video, we could able to have a clear understanding of the trend of Nifty 50 as well as the individual stocks. As I always mention, the Nifty 50 and the individual stocks are interrelated, where we could able to see the momentum which is going to be happen parallelly in between both the Nifty 50 as well as the individual stocks. If you know that the Nifty 50 has fallen yesterday, there were huge upward momentum in both Nifty 50 as well as the individual stocks until yesterday, and we see that there was a huge green candles and heavy momentums which were happening from the past week. All of a sudden, the Nifty 50 was showing in red on yesterday, so the reason most of the individual stocks fallen from all-time high to lows. So there is a correlation between the Nifty 50 and the individual stocks, so that I want to explain you in detail where exactly is the Nifty 50 right now, whether it is going to be a reversal or whether is it going to be a consolidation, or the Nifty 50 is going to go and break new higher zones. If you see the chart on my screen, you could able to see it clearly that the Nifty 50 was in an upward momentum parallel channel. That's why you could able to see that the Nifty 50 trend was hitting at the top of the parallel channel as well as again coming back to the lower side of the parallel channel and again moving back in between the parallel channel. This means that the Nifty 50 was in an upward momentum, and exactly you could able to see this trend over here. This trend over here is nothing but a cup and holder pattern. Currently the Nifty 50 is forming a cup, which where we could able to see a holder as well like this, and then the Nifty 50 is going to break this very strong resistance line, and then we'll move into the new higher zones, which is going to be happen right now. I am sure that the Nifty 50 is going to be consolidate little bit more over here until at this point, and then again will bounce back towards into this very strong resistance line, and then we'll break this resistance lines into the new higher zones. So I'm sure that the Nifty 50 is going to be exactly in between 20,600 to 20,800 in near future, which is going to be within 6 months of time. When the Nifty 50 is going to break this line and move into the new higher zones, then obviously all the other individual stocks, whichever has a huge potential as well as both technical and fundamental, will reach into the new higher zones as well. So we now have two options. Either we could book the profits and wait for the retracement and enter exactly at the best price, or we could able to hold the stocks unless if the consolidation of Nifty 50 and the individual stocks are going to over, and then those are going to be breakout. As according to me, the Nifty 50 is going to consolidate little bit more as per my detailed technical analysis, and then we'll bounce back from that point, and then we'll reach into the new high zones, which is going to be more than 20,000. If you are a long-term investor, you can have the stocks in your portfolio. If you are a short-term investor and you want to book the profits, which you don't want to take any risk, I would suggest you to book the profits, and then you could able to enter exactly at the lower prices. If you are a long-term investor, then you could able to wait until unless the Nifty 50 is going to be consolidate, and then we'll break into this strong resistance line and we'll go into the new higher zones. I'm sure that the Nifty 50 is going to be break into this strong resistance line and will bounce back towards into the new higher zones, which is going to be more than 20,000 in near future. Whenever the Nifty 50 is going to break this strong resistance line, then obviously all the stocks are going to be in a very bull trend and will give us a good returns in the future. So thank you very much for watching this video. Please consider subscribing my channel so that you will get a notification whenever I posted videos on breakout stocks as well as value investing stocks. Please consider doing a comment, like and share these videos to other fellow investors whoever want to invest in the right breakout stocks. Thank you very much. Have a happy, healthy, wealthy and successful life. Jai Hind.